Good morning, Allie. Wake up now. It is a new school day.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well, Allie? Today is your first exciting school day.
Yes, Mom, I am so excited. Wow! The weather is so bright today, I feel happy already.
Allie, choose your school uniform now. We have little time before breakfast.
Okay, Mom. This uniform looks clean and perfect. I like wearing it for school today.
Great job, Allie. You are ready very fast. Now let's go for breakfast together.
Okay, Mom.
I made your favorite pancakes today.
Wow, Mom, breakfast looks very delicious today. I am so hungry.
I'm glad, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Eat slowly, Allie. You need energy for your first school day and new friends.
I feel excited and a little nervous about school today, but I am ready.
I'm so glad, Allie.
Thank you, Mom. I feel better now. I want to go to school happily.
I'm so proud of you. Do not worry, Allie. School is fun. You will learn and make new friends. Here is your bag. Check everything inside before leaving home.
Okay, Mom. Everything is here. I am ready for school now.
Allie, it is time now. We must leave for school immediately.
Okay, Mom.
Good. Let's go.
Let's go now. I am excited to see my new school. The morning air feels so fresh and nice today.
Look, Allie, nature is beautiful in the morning. We should enjoy nature in the morning.
Yes, Mom, you are right. Everything looks new and exciting. I like this morning walk to school. Wow, my school is very big and beautiful.
It is. Go inside now, Allie. Have a wonderful first school day and enjoy learning.
This place looks very big and new. I feel a little nervous now. I will stay calm and brave. Today, I will try my best at school. Many children are here already. They look happy and busy playing together.
Hello, dear. Are you new here? Welcome to our school today.
Yes, teacher. Today is my first day. I feel a little nervous.
That's completely normal, Allie. Don't worry, dear. I will help you. You will feel comfortable very soon.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, teacher. Your words make me feel safe and happy inside.
I'm so glad to hear that, Allie. Come with me now, Allie. I will take you to your classroom.
Okay! The school looks clean and beautiful. I really like this place.
This is your classroom, Allie. Your new friends are waiting inside.
I feel ready now. I want to meet my classmates and learn new things.
Good morning, class. We have a new student joining us today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ollie. I am very happy to meet you all. Welcome to our class. We are happy to see you here today. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Allie, please sit there. You can join your classmates and start learning with them.
Desk seat is nice and comfortable. I feel ready to learn now.
Hello, Allie. My name is Ahad. We can be good friends here.
Great.
We can sit together. Today we will learn simple English words and speak together in class.
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. Let's begin. Please repeat after me, class. These words are easy and very useful.
Cat, dog, sun, bus.
Very good. Let's practice one more time.
Cat, dog, sun, bus.
Now we learn the word book. It is something you read every day.
Book!
Yes, we use books to learn new things.
Yay! I love my new school. I will come tomorrow again with happiness and confidence.